I want to give you 5 steps to increase your clients by 323% with AI and digital marketing. In the ever-evolving landscape of business, staying ahead is not just an option but a necessity. If you're wondering how to up your game and boost your clientele, fear not. We've got you covered. Dive into these 5 steps that can skyrocket your client base by a whopping 323%, blending the power of AI and digital marketing seamlessly. Step 1. Perform a market research and marketing audit. Before diving headfirst into the digital marketing ocean, it's essential to understand your business's current position. Conduct a thorough market research and marketing audit. Identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This groundwork will be the compass guiding your strategic moves. Think of it as putting on your explorer hat before venturing into uncharted territory. By dissecting your market, understanding your competitors, and unveiling the internal intricacies of your business through a SWOT analysis, you gain a comprehensive view of the landscape. This knowledge serves as your strategic compass, directing you toward opportunities, guiding you away from potential pitfalls, and providing a clear roadmap for impactful decision making. In essence, it's not just about knowing where you stand, it's about equipping yourself with the insights needed to navigate the complex and dynamic world of digital marketing with confidence and purpose. Step 2. Create the ideal profile, an avatar of your ideal client. Who is your dream client? Paint a vivid picture, understand their pain point, desires, and aspirations. Creating an ideal client profile helps you tailor your digital marketing efforts to resonate with the audience you want to attract. It's like having a secret weapon in your marketing arsenal. Picture your dream client not as an abstract entity but as a flesh and blood persona with distinct traits, challenges, and dreams. Dive deep into the psyche, unraveling their pain points, aspirations, and desires. This isn't a mere exercise, it's the heart of creating an ideal client profile, a personalized blueprint that becomes your secret weapon in the vast arena of digital marketing. This profile transforms vague notions into a vivid, relatable character, enabling you to tailor your messaging, content, and strategies with precision. Is the equivalent of having an ally who understands your every move, ensuring your digital marketing efforts resonate authentically with the audience you most passionately want to attract. In the realm of client engagement, this intimate understanding is not just a tool, it's a strategic advantage that sets the stage for meaningful connections and lasting relationships. Step 3. Turn your existing products and services into an irresistible offer. Take a fresh look at what you're offering. How can you make it irresistible? Bundle services, throw in exclusive bonuses, or provide limited time discounts. The goal is to make your potential clients think, I can't afford to miss out on this. Craft an offer they simply can't refuse. Imagine your offerings as a treasure chest waiting to be discovered. In this step, take a fresh, discerning gaze at what you're presenting to the world. How can you elevate it from mere products and services to an irresistible must-have package? Consider bundling complementary services, adding exclusive bonuses that speak directly to your ideal client's needs, or introducing limited time discounts to create a sense of urgency. The objective is clear. Fashion an offer so compelling that potential clients can't help but exclaim, I can't afford to miss out on this. It's not just about showcasing value, it's about unveiling it in a way that resonates profoundly with your audience. Craft an offer that transcends transactions and becomes an irresistible invitation to embark on a transformative journey with your brand. After all, in the realm of digital marketing, the heart of crafting an offer they simply can't refuse is the catalyst for forging lasting connections and converting interest into enthusiastic commitment. Here's an offer. I will allow you to click on our video, like, share, and subscribe button in order to be notified when we drop the next video. So how much? Free. Hit those buttons right now. Step 4. Carve out a free sample version of the expected transformation. Everyone loves a sneak peek. Create a lead magnet that showcases the transformation your products and services can bring. Whether it's a free trial, a downloadable guide, or an exclusive video series, give your audience a taste of what's to come. This free sample should leave them craving more. In the world of digital marketing, providing a sneak peek isn't just a strategy, it's an art form. Picture it as crafting a tantalizing thriller for an upcoming blockbuster. In this step, create a lead magnet that goes beyond mere information. It's a preview of the transformative journey your products and services offer. Whether it's a free trial, a downloadable guide filled with actionable insights, or an exclusive video series unveiling expert tips, this is your chance to offer a taste of the positive change your audience can experience. This free sample isn't just a gesture, it's a strategic move to leave them hungry for more. Is the anticipation before the grand reveal, the spark that ignites curiosity and sets the stage for a deeper engagement. By delivering a compelling preview of the transformation you promise, you're not just attracting attention, you're creating a narrative that resonates and entices your audience to eagerly embrace what lies ahead. Step 5. Set up a digital marketing attraction campaign. Now that you have your irresistible offer and lead magnet, it's time to let the digital magic happen. Set up an attraction marketing campaign that targets 15 to 20 ideal clientele prospects every day. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other digital channels to distribute your lead magnets strategically. The key is to pull and not push your audience toward your offerings. With your irresistible offer and enticing lead magnet in hand, it's time to orchestrate the digital magic. Enter the realm of attraction marketing, a strategic dance designed to captivate your ideal client. Your mission: target 15 to 20 prospects from your dream clientele every day. This isn't a spray and pray approach, it's a carefully curated performance across social media, email marketing, and various digital channels. Picture it as a symphony where each note, or in this case each campaign, harmonizes to create an irresistible melody. The essence lies in pulling, not pushing, gently guiding your audience towards your offerings rather than bombarding them. It's a subtle art where strategic placement and timing become your allies. In this digital ballet, the goal is to create an undeniable gravitational pull, making your audience not just notice but willingly step into the spotlight of your transformative offerings. The result: a well choreographed journey where your digital marketing efforts become a magnetic force, seamlessly connecting your brand with the eager audience it deserves. You're about to discover more in Digital Marketing Certified. If you want us to help you implement these changes for a limited time, register for our 80 minutes workshop at www.7secretsto7figure.com as the next step, and you get a free digital copy of my book, Digital Marketing Certified, just for registering.